থাকে তাহলে ইএস করে প্ল্যাটফর্ম করতে হয়। তুমি 1 মার্ক লেখো, সাদিকে মুবাশশির মার্ক লিখবা না। এখন প্রশ্ন হবে আওয়ার স্কুল লাইব্রেরি ছিল পড়া, কার কার হয়েছে, কে কোনটা পাবে? রেডি স্টার্ট।
Our school. I love my school where I learn many things. I go to Adamdigi IPJ Pilot High School. This is situated in Bogura district. Therefore, nearly 1,000 students read in this school. Our school has a big playground.
ঠিক আছে, ধন্যবাদ। নেক্সট কে শুরু করবে? সাদি শুরু করো।
Our school library. A library is a room or building containing books. A school library is a library in the school compound mainly for the students. Our school library is housed on the first floor of the school building. It has 20 almaris and shelves specially built for arranging books. They are organized according to categories of classes and alphabetical orders. Every student can borrow books from the library for a certain period. A librarian is appointed to look after and manage all things. Our school library is very important because it gives us opportunity of preparing our own notes, varied knowledge. I feel really proud of my school library.
ধন্যবাদ। নেক্সট সঞ্জয়।
Our school.
যোগ করে বন্ধু।
My school name is Adamdigi IPJ Pilot High School. It is situated in Bogura district. It has a big playground. It has many classrooms. Nearly 1,000 students read in the school. There are 15 teachers. They have a teachers room and our school has
sit down. Next তো কি কত হইছে তোমার যোগ করো তো। না তুমি যোগ করো, ওটা আমি দিয়ে দেব, তখন যোগ করো।
Our school. My school name is Adamdigi IPJ Pilot High School. I read in class 6. My school is situated in Adamdigi, Bogura. There are more than 1,000 students who study there. Our school has a big playground. Our school has 3 buildings. It has many trees like mango tree and